Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that I know many of you are passionate about: healthy eating on a budget. Eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. I'm here to show you how. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about shopping smart. When you're on a budget, planning is key. Here are my top tips for grocery shopping on a budget. Tip number 1. Make a meal plan for the week. Take a few minutes to decide what you'll eat. This helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures you only purchase what you need. Here's a simple meal planning template you can use. Fill it out with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Stick to recipes that use similar ingredients to minimize waste. Tip number 2. Create a shopping list based on your meal plan. This will keep you focused and help you resist those tempting snacks in the store. And tip number 3. Shop seasonal and local. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are often cheaper and taste better. Check out your local farmers market for great deals. Now, let's talk about some budget-friendly ingredients that are also healthy. Here are my top 5 picks. 1. Brown rice or quinoa. These are great sources of whole grains and can be used in a variety of dishes. 2. Canned beans. They're protein-packed, super versatile, and often very cheap. You can throw them into salads, soups, or even make bean burgers. 3. Frozen vegetables. They're just as nutritious as fresh ones and usually much cheaper. Plus, they last longer, so you can use them whenever you need. 4. Eggs. A fantastic source of protein and very affordable. You can make omelets, frittatas, or hard-boiled eggs for snacks. 5. Seasonal fruits. Always check what's in season, as they are often cheaper. Apples, bananas, and oranges are usually budget-friendly choices. Now that we have our ingredients, let's whip up a quick and healthy recipe that won't break the bank. Today, we're making a delicious veggie stir-fry with brown rice. 1. First, cook your brown rice according to package instructions. 2. While that's cooking, chop up your favorite seasonal veggies. I'm using bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots today. 3. Heat a pan, add a little olive oil, and toss in your veggies. Stir-fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. 4. Add in a can of drained beans for protein and cook for another minute. 5. Finally, mix in your cooked brown rice and season with soy sauce or your favorite spices. And there you have it, a quick, nutritious, and budget-friendly meal. You can make this in under 30 minutes, and it's perfect for meal prep as well. Healthy eating on a budget is all about planning, smart shopping, and making the most of what you have. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy tips, and share your favorite budget-friendly meals in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Happy cooking!